Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your girl CrazeeTash. So in this video I'm getting myself prepared to go to a funeral. I'm actually going out of state. We're going to Boston. This is my first time actually leaving New York, and I've left New York before, so I'm actually going to see Boston. I may not vlog that much because, as I said, it's a funeral, it's a sad occasion, so I don't want to be having my camera out like that, you know. So I may just bring you guys on a little journey. So welcome to the vlog. Let's get into it. All right guys, so it's 6:03. They're not here yet. This is how we're looking. This is the dress. Sorry about the mess in the background. It's ruched here. The sleeves are open, so it's like a back wing, whatever this fashion style is called. And this is how the makeup is looking, and the hair. Yeah, guys, we're stressed out. We're having a chaotic get ready right now. Over here we're gonna bring this bag with snacks, have another bag here with snacks. I made my coffee right here, so ready to bring that. Based on the fact I was rushing to put on the nails, I literally have 1 2 3 4 left, but I brought the nails to put on. Hey y'all, the time is now 6:38. Still nobody. Could I get an hour sleep, you know? Could I get an hour sleep? My back is hurting me. I'm hungry. I feel like I'm about to have a headache. Okay, still a year away, so I guess I'll update you guys as we go along. The nails are back on. Had the time to do those. Changed out my wristband. And I put on the rings. Mommy hear black? You hear black? Leave me alone. No, my own is genetic. It's genetic. No. A Chipotle you ever get this early in the morning?
Bam.
Just I get a hash brown. Hash brown. From where? McDonald's?
Yeah, hash
So guys, I'm in the bathroom getting ready. I already did my makeup. I changed my clothes, changed from my work clothes into what I'm wearing. As I said, did my makeup, so I'm just fixing my hair a little bit. Yeah, so this is the process.
I don't know if I'll be honest.
I feel perfect.
Yeah. What size is that?
I had a 6.5, I think. Where we put our shoes?
Is there a storage for the shoes or personal shoes? No, we just have it with us. Just have. Okay.
Been here to show.
Just asking. Questions are meant to be asked, no? Bruh.
Who's going first?
The bowlers. The bowlers. Guess who's not going first? Me.
Going last?
What? Go for it.
She ready. Let's go. What? Carlin.
I got you.
Oh, another one. What is going on with you?
Hola, ¿a ti te pica el culo? Ven. Llama a 1-800 cantazo.
That's pretty much. Hey, look, watch.
Ticket.
Why your pants so low? Did you get that? Tender again. Top contender. Let's go. Alright. Yeah, ready. Here we go. Target. That was your best one yet. English.
Tacos.
English.
Yes, tacos.
We're going.
You see, you want tacos too?
Me too.
I can sit down in the place.
Yeah, there's
Me too.
Put some music.
And less heat. Y'all see how crazy the video was when Joseph was recording?
Put that shit up. Put that fucking shit up. Louder.
What are we doing now again?
Charlene requested. Charlene, we're gonna sing it.
Louder, I want to.
Y yo puedo comerte como a ti te gusta. Oh shit.
If this is not the height of racism. And this Negro actually going in. Get the birria taco, those are good.
So Charlie, what are you getting?
I want a birria, but I don't know which one it comes with, the shredded beef. All of them have it, or it's chicken?
Yeah.
Okay.
¿La dejamos en cafetina? Sí. Ay, mía. Gracias.
Is that sangria?
No, Jamaica. Gracias.
Oh, which one you should?
Gracias.
Country biggie? Jamaica
No,
biggie?
Jamaica.
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 They don't.
She got on camera too. Whatever. Before you eat. Wait, you're supposed to take.
Gracias.
Don't want to piss? Then piss yourself in the car, bro.
But you feel talk so derogatory.
What?
Piss?
Sweet, I feel say it like that.
Yo, you're just way too nice, bro.
Wait, your mother want to hear you.
But y'all gonna beat me?
Obviously, you one box scratch some mouth. Hey, I get out of hand.
Body on her.
How cute. You know. Our festivities come to an end. This is where we're closing it off. Say bye.
Wait, I didn't even say hi.
Say hi. Say bye. Peace and love. Say bye, Akil. Bye. Joseph.
Alright.
Say bye.
Adios.
We're out. Bye.